In the hustle and bustle of modern life, time can either be your staunchest ally or your toughest opponent. As men, we often find ourselves wearing multiple hats: the professional, the partner, the father, the friend, the wannabe fitness enthusiast. However, when time isn't managed effectively, it's like a domino effect. One aspect of life topples over into another, creating a cascade of stress and imbalance. So let's take a moment to understand the repercussions of poor time management, and then we'll pivot to 4 practical, sustainable time management strategies that can turn the tide in your favour. At work, missed deadlines and piled up tasks lead to increased stress and diminished performance. This stress doesn't clock out when you do. It follows you home, straining relationships as patience wears thin and presence becomes scarce. The constant rush leaves little room for workouts and pushes fitness to the back burner too. Meanwhile, the lack of time and energy often results in reaching for quick, unhealthy food choices, contributing to a cycle of weight gain and health issues. Recognizing this chain reaction is the first step towards breaking it. So let's turn the tide. Let's look at 4 time management strategies for guys. Acknowledging the problem is half the battle. The other half is adopting practical strategies that not only address the issue, but are also sustainable in the long haul. Number 1, prioritize ruthlessly. The art of prioritization is about recognizing that while you can do anything, you can't do everything, at least not all at once. So start by identifying your top priorities in each area of your life: work, relationships, health. Once identified, structure your day around these priorities, ensuring they get the lion's share of your attention and energy. It's all about quality, not quantity. And remember, saying no to the non-essential means saying yes to what truly matters to you. Secondly, embrace the power of routine. Humans are creatures of habit, and there's immense power in leveraging this to manage time effectively. Craft a daily routine that encapsulates your priorities, whether it's allocating specific hours for focused work, regular workout slots, or dedicated family time. A routine acts as a framework that organizes your day, making it more predictable and manageable. The key is consistency. The more ingrained these routines become, the less mental bandwidth you'll spend on deciding what to do next. Then thirdly, a digital detox. In an era where our lives are intertwined with technology, it is vital to set boundaries. Allocate specific times for checking emails and social media and stick to them. Consider tools or apps that limit your time on certain sites or apps. The goal is to prevent technology from consuming your time unconsciously. Instead, use it as a tool that serves your priorities and enhances your productivity. And finally, master the art of single tasking. While multitasking might seem efficient on the surface, it often leads to half-completed tasks and diminished quality of work. Instead, embrace single tasking. Allocate blocks of time to specific tasks and give them your undivided attention. It's about diving deep, not wide, and you'll find that not only do you get more done, but the quality of your work also improves. So how do we make time management a lifestyle? Adopting these strategies isn't just a one-time affair, it's about weaving them into the fabric of your daily life. So here's how you can ensure these strategies are more than just a fleeting attempt. Firstly, regularly review and adjust. Your life isn't static, and neither should your time management strategies be. So regularly review your routines, your priorities, and the effectiveness of your time management strategies. And be honest with yourself. Don't hesitate to make adjustments, because life is about evolving, and so is the art of managing your time. Then secondly, keep the big picture in view. Always remind yourself of the why behind your time management efforts. Whether it's excelling at work, nurturing relationships, staying in shape, or just enjoying a hobby, keeping the bigger picture in view serves as a constant reminder and motivation to manage your time effectively. So remember, transforming your relationship with time isn't about monumental overnight changes. It's about those small, consistent steps that you can take every day, gradually steering your life in a direction that aligns with your true priorities. If you're finding value in these strategies, don't forget to subscribe to Productive Men. Your journey and insights matter, so share your thoughts and experiences in the comments too. We are here to support each other on this path to mastering our time, productivity, and living our best lives. So start today, take it one step at a time, and remember every moment is a new opportunity to steer your life with intention and focus. Until next time, keep your eye on the clock, make every minute count, and I'll chat soon, fella.